Imagine this: a Saturday rush at your store. You're ringing up customers left and right, the energy is electric, and sales are booming. But amidst the chaos, a nagging feeling creeps in, the dread of data entry later. Mountains of receipts translate to hours spent hunched over a computer, manually feeding sales figures into your accounting software. It's a time-consuming chore that eats away at your precious free time. Wouldn't it be amazing if there was a way to automate this process? A way to seamlessly sync your sales data from your point-of-sale (POS) system directly into your accounting software, saving you both time and frustration? Well, wonder no more. Today, we're diving into the world of POS system integrations, specifically focusing on whether Epos Now works with QuickBooks. For those unfamiliar, Epos Now is a popular cloud-based POS system designed to streamline retail operations. QuickBooks, on the other hand, is a leading accounting software that helps businesses track finances, manage invoices, and generate reports. So, the question begs asking, can these two powerhouses join forces and make your life easier? The answer is a resounding yes. Epos Now integrates seamlessly with QuickBooks Online, allowing you to automatically sync your sales data. This means no more manually entering sales figures, no more misplaced receipts, and no more wasted hours. But how exactly does this integration work? Let's break it down. Epos Now captures all your sales data in real time, every transaction, every discount, every tax applied. Once you've configured the integration, Epos Now will automatically send this data to QuickBooks Online at regular intervals. This data transfer can be customized to your needs. You can choose to send it daily, weekly, or even after every close till end-of-day process. Once the data arrives in QuickBooks Online, it's automatically populated into the relevant fields. This includes your sales figures, customer information, payment types, and even tax details. With everything neatly organized in one place, you can easily generate reports, track inventory levels, and gain valuable insights into your business performance. But the benefits go beyond just saving time. Here are some additional advantages of integrating Epos Now with QuickBooks Online. Reduced errors. Manual data entry is prone to errors. By automating the process, you eliminate the risk of typos and miscalculations, ensuring the accuracy of your financial records. Improved cash flow management. With real-time sales data readily available, you can make informed decisions about your cash flow. You'll know exactly how much money is coming in and going out, allowing you to plan for expenses and investments more effectively. Simplified tax filing. When tax season rolls around, having all your sales data readily organized in QuickBooks makes filing a breeze. No more scrambling for receipts or piecing together information from multiple sources. Streamlined reconciliation. Reconciling your bank statements becomes a much smoother process with all your sales data neatly categorized in QuickBooks. Now, it's important to note that there are a few limitations to keep in mind. The Epos Now integration currently only works with QuickBooks Online, not the desktop version. Additionally, while most data gets synced automatically, some specific features, like customer credit balances, might require manual entry in QuickBooks. However, these limitations are minor compared to the overall benefits of this powerful integration. If you're an Epos Now user who also relies on QuickBooks Online for your accounting, integrating these two platforms is a no-brainer. It's a simple setup process that can save you countless hours and headaches in the long run. So, ditch the manual data entry and embrace the power of automation. With Epos Now and QuickBooks Online working together, you can focus on what truly matters: running and growing your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.